In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Dropbox files and folders. This allows you to easily share files and folders with others in a quick and efficient way. Imagine simply scanning a code to access important documents, presentations, photos, or anything else you have stored. Let's start by heading over to Dropbox.com. You can also use the Dropbox desktop app if that's more convenient for you. The first thing you need to do is locate the specific file or folder you wish to share. Scrolling through your Dropbox, find that important document or treasured photo album you want to make accessible to others. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the item. You'll see a few options pop up, including the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share, and then click Copy Link. This action copies the direct link to your file or folder, storing it temporarily on your clipboard, ready for the next step. Now it's time to choose a QR code generator. There are plenty of online options available such as QR Tiger, Unicode, My QR Code or MEQR. Each of these tools has its own features but all serve the same basic function. So find one that suits you best and head over to their website. Once you're there, you'll notice a field for entering your link. Simply paste the Dropbox link you copied earlier into this field. With your link pasted, the next step is to create your QR code by clicking the Generate button or something similar. Just like that, a QR code is generated, ready for customization. Most generators offer customization options, allowing you to tweak your QR code's appearance. You can alter the colors, experiment with different shapes, or even add your brand's logo. Feel free to be creative and make it match your personal style or business brand, but remember, these are optional steps. When you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to download the QR code. Most generators will give you the choice between various file formats. PNG, SVG, or JPG are common choices. Save it in a format that best fits your needs. We've reached the final steps. With your QR code now safely downloaded, consider how you plan to use it. You can simply print it out if you plan to distribute it physically, or opt to display it digitally through emails, websites, or social media. To ensure everything's working perfectly, scan the QR code using a smartphone or tablet. By doing so, you or anyone with access can quickly reach the Dropbox file or folder, confirming that your new QR code is functioning as intended. It's really that simple. You're now ready to share data in a more dynamic way, making your Dropbox files more accessible than ever. Happy sharing!